Ni mucemanio uratabanitio ni kamiti ya kuruira ihoto cia umundu makiaririria murugamo wao wigimaine na ikuo cia ciana 11 aria miri yao iraikitio katoni-ini.
Pumwani Hospital is hitting the headlines for the wrong reasons. In the past, working together with other actors in the health sector, we've gone to court and found this hospital culpable on issues to do with the quality of maternal health care services that they're providing to the Kenyan mothers.
Giko giki nikionanetie mathina maria atumia makoragwo makigerera ta kuheo motungata matakinyanire ikiro, kuhingirwo maremwo ni kuriha bili ya thibitari thengia wa mutaratara uria waruguririo ni mutongoria wa bururi wa atumia kugiaga ciana hatari marihi.
The Pumwani Maternity Hospital issue brings to the fore the systemic challenges in delivery of quality maternal health care services across this country. So although we saw this only in Pumwani, we've had reports from Bungoma in the past, we've had reports from other places, and this just points to a serious systemic issue insofar as the delivery of quality maternal health care is concerned.
Munini wa muikariri giti wa kamiti ino George Murara ni ahinyiriirie kuga ati mundu wothe na kihoto gia kwamukira motungata makinyaniru ma urigitani. Kamiti ino ni uritie Inspector General wa borithi Joseph Boynet na kamiti ya uruti wira wa muingi kuombika uthuthuria wa naihenya.
To call upon the Inspector General of Police to immediate and also the ODPP to institute investigations with a view to holding any negligent persons accountable for acts of criminal commission. We also call upon the Public Service Commission to immediately begin the recruitment process for the appointment of the Coroner General under the National Coroners Services Act.
Murara ni oritie aria mahutitio ni mutino uyu kana muingi uria ungikorwo na uhoro wigimaine na ikuo cia ciana icio marute riboti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njitagwo Wanjiru wa Foro.